Hello viewers, welcome to Engineering Study Materials. Today we are going to discuss about the shearing process. This is also known as the die cutting process, which is used to cut the large stock into small pieces without the formation of the chips. So it uses the blades, and the blades are oriented with some clearance to cut the stock materials. Here, first the workpiece is inserted in between the blades and force is applied, and after that small pieces are taken out. So in this picture we can able to see the clear explanation. A punch is used to cut the sheet metal. Some amount of clearance is made between the two dies, and so that it is easy to cut the sheet metal into a required length. So this is a short video about shearing metals. So if you like this video, please click the thumbs up button and share this video to your friends to gain knowledge, and don't forget to subscribe this channel for more videos. So thank you for watching.